Hey guys, alright, today we're going to be using an FPV ready camera, which is the DJI Phantom FC40 camera here, and we're going to be using it on the Tarantula X6 Quadcopter. So it's a way to FPV with the Tarantula X6, and we haven't tried it yet, but we're sure it can take its weight. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting the DJI Phantom FC40 camera, so that's this one here, and as you can see, if I just bring up the smartphone here, you can see it's an FPV camera, so you can actually, you know, watch your flights as you're flying. So so it's going to be interesting to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this camera and I'm going to attach it onto the bottom with some double-sided tape there and some electrical tape here, and then we're going to head out. We're going to stick the camera on the top here where it'll be attached, and we'll do a bit of FPV flying and see how it handles the DJI Phantom FC40 camera on the top. So we'll go ahead now, get it all attached to the quadcopter, and then we'll head on outside and give it a little test flight. Okay, so if you go close, you can see we've got the DJI Phantom FC40 Wi-Fi FPV camera. Now that's attached on the top here with some electrical tape and some strong tape underneath, so it's fairly stable. That's attached on there, so we could do FPV with this if we wanted to, and what we're going to do is, after we show the video of us flying it from the ground, we're going to show the video from the camera here. Okay, so we'll bring it out and we'll give this a go, see how it carries it. So once again, this is the Tarantula X6 Quadcopter, and it's got the DJI Phantom FC40 camera on the top. Okay. And as you can see, it's carrying it no problem at all. It's not affecting the stability. Alright, we'll take it a bit higher. And I'll turn it to face us. And take it a bit higher, just for a bit of a test, just keeping it above there, and there we go. Alright, so I'll bring this in, just land it nice and gently on the table, and there you go. So as you can see by that, and from flying this already, you can see there was no problem carrying it. The stability, everything. It's there's a bit of a breeze out here, so it carried it very good, very steady, no problems at all. So anyone wondering, you can actually put a DJI Phantom FPV camera on the Tarantula X6 Quadcopter. So hope that helps. Okay, just want to add as well, we have got permission from our neighbours there next door who don't mind us with the quadcopters, so make sure you don't fly these things in crowded areas or over property without permission. So with that said, we're now going to show the footage from the DJI Phantom FC40 camera from the flight that we've just had.